Hello everyone, I am Aarti AS. Namo Namah. Welcome back to my channel Sanskrit in English. Today we are starting a new lesson 8.4 Kim Kim. Kim means what? In this lesson, two uses of accusative case have been introduced. We will see them in two parts. In this first part, we will see accusative case used as object in the sentence. Accusative case means Dvitiya Vibhakti in Sanskrit. We will study Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam in this chapter. So here one picture has been given and you have to observe it. See, everyone is doing something. Some action is going on. And here Chitram drishtva prashnan pathata. That means see the picture and read the questions. Here with every question one word in the bracket has been given. And in the other part Chitra varnanam pathata. These all are answers to these questions. And you have to use accusative case or Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam of these words given in the bracket. Balakah kim pathati. What is the boy reading? The word given in the bracket is pustaka. So balakah pustakam pathati. The boy is reading a book. Pustakam means a book. Vriddhah kim dharati. What is the old man holding? Word in the bracket is chhatra. So answer is Vriddhah chhatram dharati. The old man is holding an umbrella. Chhatram means umbrella. Shunakah kim khadati. What is the dog eating? So word in the bracket is rotika. So Shunakah rotikam khadati. The dog is eating a chapati. Rotikam means chapati. Balika kim kshipati. What is the girl throwing? Word in the bracket is kanduka. So balika kandukam kshipati. The girl is throwing a ball. Kandukam means a ball and kshipati means throwing. Mahila kim nayati. What is the woman taking? Word in the bracket is droni. So Mahila dronim nayati. The woman is taking a bucket. Dronim means a bucket. Nayati means taking or carrying. Vriddha kim pashyati. What is the old woman looking? Vriddha is akaranta strilinga shabda and meaning is old woman. Vriddha means old man and vriddha means old woman. So word given in the bracket is balika. Vriddha balikam pashyati. The old woman is looking at a girl. So as we all know that sentence has three parts. Mainly three parts. Karta, that is subject, karma, that is object, and kriya pada, that is verb. So accusative case is karma pada, object, and mostly karma pada is in Dvitiya Vibhakti. See, it is very easy to make Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam of all akaranta pullinga shabdah, akaranta napusaklinga shabdah, akaranta strilinga shabdah, ikaranta strilinga shabdah. You just have to add halantama to make it Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam or singular accusative form. Bhashabhyasah. First, kim shabdasya sthane uttaram yojayata. Vakyam punah vadata. That means use the appropriate form of the word given in the brackets in place of kim. So you have to use Dvitiya Vibhakti Ekvachanam of all these words given in the bracket to give the answer. Markatah kim khadati. What is the monkey eating? Kadalifala. So Markatah kadalifalam khadati. The monkey is eating a banana. Kadalifalam means banana. Gajah kim kshipati? What is the elephant throwing? In the bracket, jala is given. So, Gajah jalam kshipati. The elephant is throwing water. Kshipati means throwing. Gajah means elephant. Shukah kim khadati? What is the parrot eating? Marichika in the bracket. So, Shukah marichikam khadati. The parrot is eating a chili. Marichika means chili. Shukah means parrot. Balakah kim svikaroti? What is the boy accepting? Ladduka is given in the bracket. So, Balakah laddukam svikaroti. The boy is accepting a laddu. Ladduka means laddu. Svikaroti means accepting. Chhatra kim vadati? What is the student reciting? Chhatra means a female student. Chhatraha means male student. So, Chhatra shlokam vadati. The student is reciting a verse. Shloka means a verse. Purushah kim pashyati? Word in the bracket is nadi. What is the man watching? Purushah nadim pashyati. The man is watching a river. Nadi means a river. Points to remember. There are mainly three parts of sentence. Karta, karma and kriyapada. Karta means subject, karma means object and kriyapada means verb. When we replace kim with a word that is in the singular accusative form, that is karmapada. Karmapada is mostly in Dvitiya Vibhakti. So guys, if you like my teaching, then please like, share and subscribe my channel Sanskrit in English. Link to the playlist of my previous videos is given in the description box. Also press the bell icon. Namo Namaha. Punha Milamah. Dhanyavadah.